Okay, I'm ready. Okay, now we take a look how to make a new graphic program. In the program list, we can make a new graphic, and when you push this button, you will appear another windows. We can enter width 500, thickness 1.9, register of the material for iron we can put 45, and the material automatic become 2. Section don't care. Normally we keep 0. And die name, if you remember the current die name, you can enter directly the number. If you cannot remember, for example, punch, we can go to the tool list and go to punch list and press insert. The name automatic go to the field, and then OK. And after, when you go to this, you can see the line and the circle. It must be clear when the circle is on the line, middle of the line means ask you enter the length of the line. For example, we enter 20. And after the field go to alpha. Alpha means the angle of this line to the next line. Normally we can put the value directly, for example 90 degree, or we can push the arrows on the CNC. For example, up, you will see next line like this way. This is 135 degree. All the key have the direction. So normally, for example, 90 degree, and the circle is in the terminal of the line, and we press enter and ask this length of the line. Put 50. Okay. Another 90 degree. Okay, when you finish, for example, the workpiece you want to bend is like this. So we finish the programming and we press calculator. When in this page you can see the graphic, and we can teach the CNC how to bend. For example, I want to bend here, and the next step we press N left. For example, the work always work in this side. Maybe it's too short to hold the material. We can rotate, and the worker can hold the long side, and we bend again. Okay, we can see if okay, we can see if when after bend the workpiece will strike the punch, he will give you the notice as red. So in this way we can know the workpiece maybe will strike. But it is also can be a solution sometimes. So we don't care. After we can do this, optimize, and the CNC run the step how to bend. We can push simulate to take a look. First step, second step. Okay. And after, we can save this program in the list. Or if you not save, this could be temporary program. We save 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in the program list we have 2 programs. One is 1, 2, 3 is numeric we do before, and this is 4, 5, 6 is optimized. and we do by graphic. We can also preview the workpiece if the program is optimized. Preview, and we can see the graphic. But for this program, we cannot see, we only have data. But this is programmed by graphic, we can preview with data or graphic. Okay. Okay, next. How to do the test band, okay. Put here, no problem. Can continue? Okay, now we make how to do the first band. For example, we can select the program 1, 2, 3. We already programmed, and we can push enter to select this program. First, he will go to the editor page, and you can take all the information of the workpiece. For example, wise 500 millimeter. For example, like this workpiece, 500 millimeter. And the thickness 1.9 is 1.9. Register is the register value of the workpiece. Normally, if the material is more stronger, more hard to bend, we put more big value here. And the die name, V die, and the punch. Die name and V die is 2 parameter. One is means the die name, another is means die number. Because normally on the die, maybe you have not only V die, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, depends. We call multi-die. Okay, so we take a look how to make the first band. If everything we checked is okay, we can go to automatic or semi-auto directly. First we go to semi-auto. Okay, in this page, he will first ask you press start, PM000. When we press the start, the X position and the X target and our X position and R position will go to the final target. We press and move. When finished the position, give you another message. PM001, press down to bend. This is very important to avoid not destroy the punch and die. For example, we can take a look the BDC, the target of the program is 215.36. The current position is 408. So we can press down and we stop. If we see the machine work, the punch and die is very near, we release and we take a look about these two values if it is correct or not. If you see the punch and die is almost closed, but the current is far away from the target position, means you select wrong punch and die. Because the program, the die and the punch in the program is different than the punch and die installed on the machine. This is very important. After we can press down, keep down and up. If we can do the circle, no problem. We can go to automatic and press again and check two bend. This is band 1, this is band 2. Okay, after this checking, we can use the material to do the test bend. Normally we use the material not used not useful. It's useless one because this is only for test. The first bend, normally the angle is not so correct, and we need to do the correction. You can, don't worry. Okay, when after bend, we can see this first is 90 degree. Stop. Stop.